Welcome all. Today I'm with the topic connectives and linking words. So let's get on with it. Uh, what is connectives? What are connectives? So connectives are words or phrases that shows the connections or relationship between ideas in writing and in speech. Okay, so a good writing needs to be as clear as possible so that a reader can easily follow your sentences, ideas, and details. So use cohesive devices to link individual sentences. Um, and parts of sentences and to help the reader to follow the movement of ideas with this. So academic writing, if you take academic writing, and speaking usually deals with complex ideas. So, to enable the reader to follow your thoughts and the connection between them, these complex ideas need to be clearly and smoothly linked. Okay, so connectives are like which give different meanings, which emphasize words, change of direction, contrast, illustration words, sequencing words, conclusion words, comparing words, cause and effect words. Yes, you have so many type of words which connect one sentence and the other. So let us see few words which are called as emphasis words. Among the most valuable signals of you to know are emphasis words. So, through which the writer or the speaker tells you directly that a particular idea or detail is especially important. So, it is important to note, it is especially valuable. Okay, so it should be noted in particular. Indeed, it is above all, most of all. Okay, these are few words which emphasize and bring connection between one and the other. Then, if you see addition words, they are also connective words, addition words. So, what is this addition words? If you see, addition words tell you that the writer or speaker's thought is going to continue in the same direction. So he or she is going to add more points or details of the same kind. So addition words will be like first, second, another, and likewise, furthermore. Yes. So these are few words where we use. So first of all, so which when I start a sentence with first or second, which means it gives a sequence of the sentence. And likewise, furthermore, moreover, besides. Okay, these are additional words where I'm going to add a point with the sentence that I've already told. Okay, so then it is illustration words. Illustration words tell you an example or illustration will be given to make an idea clear. So when you illustrate about something in a paragraph, so we most often use for example, for instance, specifically, in the case of to illustrate, as revealed by, as shown by. Okay, these words. So which means, which connects the words that we have told with the example or any clarification, that description that we are going to tell further, which connects the sentence above. So for example means I'm going to explain something, give an example of a situation like this. Okay, so these words are illustration words. Then comes sequencing words. So we just saw about addition words. So there I told you about the sequencing words. So sequencing words tell you that the writer or speaker is describing a series of steps that follow a particular order as in a process, or express the order in which the writer or the speaker's thoughts flow. So here sequencing means putting it in order. Okay, so first, second, third, next, meanwhile, eventually, then, finally, after, before, like this. Uh, these words are called as sequencing words. So which gives you an order. So first, what it is, second, third. So there will be a continuity of the word with this connecting word. Now, then comparing words. So when we are asked to write a paragraph compare and contrast or something. So we usually use simple sentences, individual sentences. So whereas if you use these comparing words, tell you that the writer or the speaker is referring to similar ideas. So we can use few words which connects with the one word, one sentence and the other. In the same way is the so comparing words, as I told you. So comparing words like in the same way, likewise, like, equally, similarly, yes, compared with, similarly, equally. So these are few words where when we compare something with another thing, we use. So they bring a connection between both the sentences or words or anything. So comparing words, these words we usually use while we write essays or a letter or anything, while framing a sentence which has a continuity. So those are. And then to describe about conclusion words, cause and effect words, you have so many connectors where like it brings a connection throughout the essay or throughout the letter or throughout whatever we write. Yes. So to conclude with what it is, so connecting words brings a kind of the clear understanding for the readers of what the reader or the speaker is trying to tell about. Okay, we'll continue with connective words. Thank you.